Remix, DJ EMI, what up?
And say yeah, and say yeah. One night in town, my niggas round, throwing money, them bitches hit the ground, then bring it back up, she bring it back up, put them in that black truck, so many hoes they lapped up, my niggas leaning, diddy boppin', let's get it poppin', I said let's get it poppin', just look at how she drop it, little mama certified pro, she need her own show, sliding down that pole and grind slow.
I'm on the interstate, in the Chevrolet, in the 55, going 78, on 285, just past 78, with a loaded 9, smoking on some red J. Bitch, I'm on the grind, I hustle every day, pound for pound, call me a heavyweight, round for round, nigga don't hesitate, I'm doing real estate, trying to get my business straight, God is going down, on my license plate, cause it's going down, so get out the way, time to separate the real from the fake, so I'ma demonstrate what y'all imitate, and that's flipping cakes, cause nigga I'm good at it, I don't talk much, I'm from the hood daddy, see me splurging, I ain't worried about the police, cause I'm a mad shot, they already know me.
Throw that money in one hand, and say yeah, throw that money in the air, and say
Remix,
throw that money in one
DJ
hand,
EMI, what up? Yeah.
throw that money in the air,
Up in here soaring money, you got that growing money, I'm sleeping on you dog, yeah that's that snoring money, got foreign money, you want the foreign cars, but I be in that Explorer, oh yeah that's Doris car, you curve black baby with the red cover, I met the chick last night, you head from her, you got a little attitude, niggas scared of her, and I ain't already here, beware of her, go ahead throw your money in the air brother, or I'ma let her ring the doors like a bad plumber, and I don't need your name girl, just a number, and I'm just gonna hit a bad number. No coupe, see-through roof, big rims on that bitch look like Bruce. New shoes, new suit, big earring, shit look like Bluetooth. Look Subaru, yeah, there it go. All red to the floor, look like Elmo. So say yeah, go. Got a chick named Zoe that can't spell no. Now say yeah.
throw that money in one hand, and say